My name is Chris Inverso. I've been here 7 years, and I'm currently Rainier's General Manager and CFO, and I've been CFO since I started in 2014. When I think about leading this organization in one of the oldest manufacturing companies in Washington, it may sound cliche, but the thing that I'm most excited about, the thing that gets me out of bed every morning, is being part of something bigger than myself. It's not about any one product or project. Being part of Rainier is so unique. It's like a fingerprint. You really can't say that we're like any other company. And I find it incredibly humbling to watch the expertise that we have at Rainier and the skill that we have and the artistry that we have in all of our employees. And I can't do any of that. And if I tried to, I wouldn't even measure up. So my role is more of being that initiator, being a collaborator. It's really about creating an environment and a culture where we all talk, we all communicate with that same common goal of making Rainier a really special place to work, but also making our products really stand out in the environment. And it's something that requires all of us to do. And my job is just to coordinate that level of engagement and teamwork.
My name's Sue Gilliam. I've been at Rainier for 32 years, which have been a lot of fun. I have held numerous different jobs the time that I've been here. I've seen a lot of changes in the 32 years, and I've seen a lot of diversity and growth, but I've been here so long because there's so much opportunity. There's always something new going on, and that's fun. I like that.
I'm Bruce Dickinson. I'm Vice President here at Rainier. I've been here for 41 years. We take pride in who we are and the history and the roots that we have in the city of Seattle. Considering that this company started when Seattle started, the one thing that we hold very true is taking care of our customers, and the challenges that we take on as a company, probably no different than it was 125 years ago. The risks that they took to do what they were doing, we kind of take similar risks today, just to have different tools.
I'm Scott Campbell. I'm president of Rainier Industries. I purchased the company in 1984. I actually first worked here when I was about 11 years old, sweeping the floors for my father for $1.25 an hour. The company I purchased from my father was Puget Sound Tent and Awning. It was established in 1896. I bought the company in 1984. A year later, I purchased Seattle Tent and Awning, our largest competitor. Seattle Tent and Awning was started in 1897, and they had been competitors for nearly 100 years. Seattle Tent and Awning owned the Rainier brand name and used it on tents and sleeping bags for decades, and that was the inspiration for us becoming Rainier Industries. So we made that change in 1992. Yeah, well, it's pretty cool owning a business that's 125 years old. We have suppliers that have supplied us since the late 19th century. We have customers that are over 100 years of history with us, and we have employees that essentially spent their entire career here. We made it fun, and that has been consistent since I've owned the company, is building some really cool products and having some fun along the way.